Hi, I've been away for the better part of a week and I came home to a pretty empty fridge, but I do have some staples. So I'm just going to throw together a quick coleslaw. It's a recipe kind of my own. I've got 4 tablespoons of PB2. I've got a healthy knob of ginger here. 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And in here I've got 1/3 cup of soya yogurt and sambal oelek. That's the chili pepper sauce. I'll put a link down below with all of the ingredients for this recipe. Just going to mix this all up. And this will make a nice creamy dressing. So now it's all lump free. And for my slaw, I'm just going to use a big wok here to mix it all up in. I've got some chives, red cabbage, white cabbage. I've got carrots and I've got red onion. I cut all of this using my mandolin slicer. If you look at some of my videos, you'll see that I use a mandolin quite a bit. And I've also got a video on using your mandolin. And that's it. I'm just going to take this, pour it all over. I'm going to grab some tongs here and mix it all up. I can eat this on its own. I can have it in wraps. I can serve it with a salad as one of the ingredients. I can use this in summer rolls. But you get the drift now. Now what I'll do is I'm going to store this in a zipper bag, and then throughout the day I can just keep turning this around so that it completely blends with the dressing. And it's going to be really good. This is a 0-point salad. There's 0 points in the rice vinegar. There's not enough soya yogurt to call it any points. Oh, I forgot one more ingredient. I've got some apples here. I'm going to mix that in. I had my idea from this recipe from one of the Weight Watcher recipes where they use grapes in theirs. And voila, that's a big coleslaw. And you know, when coleslaw sits for a while, it's going to also reduce in size. So that's what I'm going to start my day with. I've got some soup in the refrigerator, in the freezer I mean, and I don't have to go out grocery shopping. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill.